Hello there, it's Haley from SevereWeatherTV.com, and today we are taking a look at cyclones and the US severe thunderstorm weather outlook. We've got two active cyclones to talk about: Tropical Storm Foxai, if that's how it's pronounced, and Tropical Cyclone Kofi. So let's jump right into it. Here is Kofi. Now if you scroll up on this page, this is on the Storm Tracker page. Apparently the heavy rain warnings have been cancelled. However, there's still Tropical Cyclone warning in effect and gale warning and strong wind warnings in effect for certain areas. So that is Kofi. And then there's Foxai, if that's how that's pronounced, where this thing there is Guam, and it's lingering out there at the moment. Here's a bigger, wider satellite view of that thing. Per the National Weather Service in Guam, they have high surf advisory and small craft advisories in effect with this system at the moment. Now, luckily, this thing is expected to pass much farther east than once upon a time. It was kind of predicted that it might basically brush right over on top of the islands. So hopefully going to stay far enough away to not be much of a problem. But of course, again, the high surf advisory and small craft advisory for the rough seas. Next, let's talk about the outlooks. This thing, right now, very low chance per the Bureau of Meteorology, doesn't look like it's going to turn into anything. This, however, low chance at the moment per the JTWC. This thing might end up at the coastline. So let's take a look at a visualization. This is ECMWF. So there you go. It's starting over. This goes in 24-hour increments. So there you go. It's looking, as of this model run, anyhow, that this thing could develop into, I don't know, that might be a tropical storm at that point. It's sort of well put together looking and end up on the coast. So obviously, something to pay attention to if you might be impacted by that. So, US severe thunderstorm weather. First, we're going to take a look at yesterday. There was a tornado in all places, Los Angeles County in California. Let's turn off the radar since that's irrelevant right now. But yes, tornado warning there yesterday for a Doppler-indicated tornado. However, don't believe there was any official touchdown or anything. So that'd be a funnel cloud, possibly, if one was spotted. It's only a tornado if it makes it to the ground, right? So let's talk about today, what might happen. 5% chance of hail and winds. Right now there is this will be probably long out of date by the time you're watching this. Severe thunderstorm warning active in Arizona at the moment. There's also a mesoscale discussion talking about the potential isolated threat in Arizona. And then in general today, here's where the probability of 58 mile per hour and greater winds are, and here are the two areas where the 5% chance of 1 inch or larger hail is. Tornadoes, though, not predicted. That's always a good thing. But tomorrow, though, 30% chance. So there is the strongest area or the highest risk area in Texas and Louisiana tomorrow. But then after that, at least as of now, predicted to be relaxed and groovy. So tomorrow, and then hopefully nothing for a while, except for all the winter weather that's coming through right now. SevereWeatherTV.com is a website, and you should go there, and you should click on things, as one should do, or something. And that's it for today. And take it easy, yes.